The next major feature of your BCS is the PTO, or power takeoff. This is what translates the power from your engine into the implement that you are using. Essentially, this is the on or off switch. This is the handle for that PTO. In order to engage my PTO, I would want to see that that red rubber stopper is flush with that gray stopper just in front of it. So in this case, with my PTO engaged, I would expect as soon as I let go of my clutch, which I would do slowly, my rotary plow would start to power. The other features that you have on the BCS, there's a differential lock up here at the top. Right now it is unlocked. I would pull it back to lock it. That makes it so my wheels can no longer spin independently. So if I'm applying tillage or if I'm in a field that is wet or especially loose, I might choose to lock my differential so that I can get out of any kind of rut or deep spot that I might need to. Now, if I need to turn at the end of the row, I need to make sure I unlock my differential. Otherwise, I'll have the hardest time in the world trying to turn around. The other lever I have up here in red is our forward and reverse shuttle. Pull it back to operate in reverse and push it forward to operate in forward. In most cases, if you pull this into reverse, it will disengage your PTO for you. We also have our throttle control up here on your right-hand side of the handlebars. When you are operating an implement, you want that throttle at full. So push it away from you to go into full throttle and pull it back to throttle down. These final two levers on either side are for independent wheel brakes. So if you do need to make a quick turn, you can brake to the side in which you intend to turn and flip it pretty quickly. Thank you so much for joining us at the Center for Arkansas Farms and Food as we learn more about organic farming. Please be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned.